Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation, and the given equation is 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation. Here question has given us this expression. Here question has given us this expression 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Question has given us this expression or this equation, and question is asking us to solve the following equation. Question is asking us to solve the following equation. Question is asking us to solve the following equation. Guys, solving these type of equations are very simple, very straightforward and very easy. Why? Because these are linear equations. Why linear equation? Because here the variable of here the power of this variable is 1. So here the variable here is x, the power of x is 1. So solving linear equations, we call these equations as linear equations because the power is 1. The power of the variable is 1. Solving linear equations are very simple and very straightforward and super easy. So let us now move ahead and solve the given equation. The question has given us 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Or I can write, what I can write in the next step, or I can write 2x upon 3 into 3 is equal to 18 into 3. What I did guys here, I just multiplying the equation, multiplying 3 to both sides of the equation, multiplying 3 to both sides of this equation. To both the sides I can write, multiplying 3 to both the sides. This is what I can write, multiplying 3 to both the sides. Now guys, we will see why I multiplied 3. Now, why I multiplied 3? I multiplied 3 in order to eliminate these 3 from the denominator. In order to eliminate these 3 from the denominator, I multiplied 3 to both sides of the equation. Why both sides? By rule, if we do some sort of operation to the left side of the equation, we should do the same kind of operation to the right side of the equation. Here the operation is multiplying 3 to the left side of the equation. We multiplied 3 to the left side of the equation. For that reason, we multiplied 3 to the right hand side of this equation. Hope guys you understood this. Till here I am very clear. What we got? We got 2x upon 3 into 3 is equal to 18 into 3. Or I can write, what I can write here, these 3, as I told you, these 3 and these 3 it cancels out. I can write 2x is equal to 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 18 into 3. Or let us keep into as it is 18 into 3. Let us not multiply it. If you can multiply, it's well and good, or we can keep it like this. Now let us move ahead to the second step. Let us move ahead to the further next step, I can say. So here in this step, what I am going to do, here in this step I am going to, or I can write 2x divided by 2 is equal to 18 into 3 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Just dividing 2 to both the sides of the equation, 2 to both the sides, and why 2 you could have already understood by this time. Why 2? So that, why I am dividing by 2? So that I can eliminate these 2. I can eliminate these 2 from x, because our main intention is to find the value of x. So for eliminating these 2 from x, I have divided this equation with 2. If I am dividing the left hand side with 2, I should also divide the right hand side with 2. For that reason, I have divided the equation, both the sides of the equation with 2. Or I can write in the next step as this 2 and this 2 it cancels out. So I can write, or x is equal to this 2 9s are 18. So here also this 18 eliminates and we got 9. So what we got? We got 9 into 3. Now it is very easy to multiply 9 into 3, or we know 9 3s are 27. So for that reason, here I did not multiplied these ones. Just I kept it as it is, so that we can eliminate it in the future steps. And what we got? We got x is equal to 27. And this x is equal to 27 is our answer. This x is equal to 27 is our answer, guys. Now, after getting the answer, let us check our answer. Whether x is equal to 27 is correct or not, let us check our answer, so that we can confirm whether the answer that we got x is equal to 27 is correct or not. Here we are going to do a quick check. How we'll do a quick check? The question has given us what? Question has given us 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Question has given us this number, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. We will start with left hand side of this equation. Left hand side of this equation is equal to 2x upon 3, and right hand side we have 18. In the right hand side we have 18. We have 18 as the right hand side. We have picked up left hand side as 2x upon 3. Now let us replace this value of x with what we got here. We got x is equal to 27. So let us replace this value of x with 27. So 2 into 27 divided by 3. This is what I did. What I did? Replacing the value of x with 27. Just I replace the value of x with 27 that we got. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write LHS is equal to 3 9s are 27. So what we got? We got 2 into 9 now. Or I can write LHS is equal to 9 2s are 18. What we got? We got LHS is equal to 18. And this 18 is nothing but this is our right hand side of this equation. If you look to the question, if you look here, you could see that the right hand side of the equation is 18. The question has given us as 18 as the right hand side of this equation. And what we got? We got 18. When we started our calculation from left hand side and replaced the value of x, we got 18. This 18 is the right hand side, and we concluded that the value of x is 27 that we got here is absolutely correct. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.